Welcome back to my workshop. Now today is a very quick video. Recently I did a video about this, which is my STANLEY FATMAX V20 multi-tool. Okay, and part of this deal was I got a free battery. Okay, now there was a bit of a story behind this, so let me quickly explain what happened. So the basic story is I bought this, which is a multi-tool as a kit, okay, and it comes with a battery and the tool and everything, but it also comes with the redeem a free battery deal. Okay, now Toolstation do this every now and again. It's a promotion. I don't know if it's actually run by Stanley, but you can get it elsewhere in Homebase and this type of place, where you buy the tool and then what you can do is you can actually apply for a free battery. Now what happened in my case with this one, I've done it before with my jigsaw and my angle grinder. I applied for the battery, I got it, no problems. Okay, but in this case what happened was I purchased the tool, I got home, I registered the tool, okay, including giving the serial number and everything for this on the My Stanley website. Okay, and when I went to apply for it, they said, no, you can't have it. Now the reason was, at that time, Toolstation was still advertising the deal of redeem a free battery, but that had actually run out 2 days previously. Okay, so it's not Stanley FATMAX's fault. It was just the fact that Toolstation's website hadn't been updated. So I bought this on the basis that I would be able to redeem a free battery. And as far as I was aware, as far as it was advertised, the redeemer battery deal was still on. Okay. Anyway, after a few emails backwards and forwards to Stanley, now it's not necessarily Stanley's responsibility. It was down to Toolstation's website. They finally agreed to supply me with a free battery. Now these are about £50 each. So yes, it's a concern. It was advertised as being a free thing, but Stanley, good to their word, they supplied me with a new battery, and here it is. So that was just a word of caution. Sometimes the websites for the other places that sell them, such as Toolstation, Homebase, etc., will still be active after the deal is finished. Okay, so always check when the deal's finished. Okay, but luckily for me, Stanley were good to their word and they supplied me with a new battery. Okay, not bad mouthing anybody, it's just to make you aware that you could possibly get caught out. Anyway, hopefully you've watched the video for this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.